YouTube. So this is gonna be another wave video real quick. Welcome to the channel again. Of course, you have reached the circle. So today I'm gonna be talking about two products I've really been using for the past almost 3 weeks. The Royal hair care products. I wanted to make this video because I really haven't seen many videos, like recent videos on it. I think the last one I saw was like maybe a year ago, maybe if not like 3 years ago. Basically, this is a product. They have several different products. They got Royal Butter, Royal Thickening Butter, Royal Kingdom Pomade, Royal Double Butter, Royal Thickening Oil, Royal Avocado Butter, and Royal Emerald Oil. I haven't really tried. This is kind of my first time kind of getting in everything, trying to dabble and see exactly what it is. But I've seen a lot of people, especially on the Wave Facebook. If a lot of you guys don't know, Wavers have a huge community on Facebook. That's pretty much where everyone kind of hangs out, talks, gets tips, and different things like that. But yeah, basically, so I have the Royal Thickening Oil and the Royal Thickening Butter. Basically, this is all natural products that people use for their hair to basically get thicker. Like if you have thinning hair, this is definitely for you guys, for sure. So basically, I don't know if the light's going to show it, but let me see. There you go. So it's kind of like a creamy, kind of thicker, but it's not like extremely thick. I can't really explain. It's like a soft, thick or something like that. Let me see if I can just take a little bit off. As you can see. Alright, so first thing first, I'll rag real quick. So basically this is used for people that have like thin hair, maybe have like a thin spot. A lot of people use it for like the crown area to get a lot thicker. I'll put a few pictures in here so you can kind of see the differences between a lot of different things. A lot of people in 3 months time are going from pretty much no hair here to extremely dark hair and even wavy hair at that point. So I guess I'll just show you how I put it on. First, we can start with the Royal Butter, and then I'll just end with the Royal Oil. They say not to use that much, so all you need probably about is that much there. But and I use it on our top hair areas. It used to be a lot thinner than it was now. I'll drop pictures in. And it's pretty much this is in 2 weeks time, kind of what it's done. Just kind of really waiting to see what happens in 3 months. Just put this on here. Now for thin hair wavers, wherever your hair is thin, try to use a soft brush on that part just so you don't hurt any of the follicles so that hair can grow. So we get in the brush section on top here. I kind of do this by itself, just kind of give it its own little TLC. Then of course you got the royal thickening oil. Now for me, I do a hot oil treatment after a wash and style. And if you want to see me do the wash and style, because I've already done it, link is going to be in the description below. And I'll probably have it flashing on the side of the page. So definitely check out that video so you can kind of see what I got to before I got to here. But I'll do a hot oil treatment with this. So basically I just take a little bit of this oil, like a drop size of it, put it in some hot water, let it warm up, and then I'll put it in my hair. And then you can see what I do after that. All right, so I got the oil here, I'm put this in my hair. After that, you put a hot towel on your head just to kind of get all the oil and moisture to get to your scalp and just really just to the root of the problem, which is your naps. No, I just play. Alright. Let's let that sit for about 30 seconds. We're gonna do it again. Brush my hair, yeah. It's been a while. You know what you're gonna do? We're gonna do a video together. You're gonna do a beat. What is it? I think it's funny.
You have those?
Yeah.
I mean, we have to do, is that like a tag?
I don't know. But we look at that. You know, I knew it wasn't supposed to fun, baby. I'm just looking what I enjoy. I'm also doing tags too, but that's something else. Again, for any thin hair waivers, please soft brush only on the thin spots, please, because you're going to see the ball. But yeah, I hit the softy basically with my whole head after that. Then after that, just a little small thing that's extremely important. Sandwich bag. I know it might be weird. You might be thinking, what are you doing with a plastic bag? But when I tell you this lays your hair down, way better than any brush that you're gonna buy. Oh, but you gotta still brush your hair. But at the very end, this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead, you gotta get a brush session in with, well, not a brush session, but a
Bag session?
bag session in with this. Alright, you guys, so after that, you really just, why do I keep saying alright, you guys?
This is just normal.
Okay, anyway, after that, you put the do-rag on. Make sure it's right. Why do you keep laughing? And then, alright, so that's basically, you guys. That is the raw thickening butter and the raw thickening oil. This is honestly kind of the best products I've used ever. And when it comes to waves, to be honest, I'm sure there's a lot of other stuff out there, but just kind of like getting into natural hair products and just different things to help not only my hair grow, but really just I feel like the complete chemistry of my hair has changed within the last 2 months.
Had it been that long, really?
Had me 2 months?
For this product? No.
No, well, no, not this. This has been 2 weeks, but just like doing waves and just everything, just starting to take care of my hair. Like, I've started to see less gray hair within my head. Of course, hair loss has gone down to a minimum. What else has changed? My scalp used to itch a lot. One thing I have used for, and they said itchy scalp, that's something that kind of start like at the beginning or the end of your hair, supposedly. But one thing that I use that has completely stopped the itching in my scalp has been colloidal silver. I can make a video about that if you guys see this and you want to hear more about colloidal silver and the different healing properties that it has. Definitely reach out to me. Put it down in the comments, like this video, subscribe, and I'll definitely make a video of that. I mean, why not? Now, you're supposed to use this twice a day. I use it in the morning and then I use it at night. Of course, at night is going to be the best time to use it just because you get to put the do-rag on, like you get to put the product on, and you just go to sleep. You know, your hair's not getting touched, and wind's not blowing. Your girl not touching your hair, and just different stuff like that. So you don't gotta worry about all that. So you gotta worry about all that extra to mess with. But this really works. This is not an ad whatsoever. This is just really just honestly an appreciation video for somebody that actually make a product out like this. One thing I'm going to try next is the royal avocado butter because I heard that's really good for your hair, and maybe just this emerald oil as well, just to kind of see what that does, and kind of what I do is I just leave this on for about 30 minutes or till tomorrow. You'll see when I pick up this camera again and just kind of show you what my hair looks like after that. But again, thank you guys if you made it to the end of this video. I appreciate that. Give this video a like for sure. Subscribe to my channel. I post every single Wednesday, and I'm looking to pick this up. To be honest, I'm looking to make a huge announcement pretty soon about something that is happening in my life. And for sure, definitely you guys will be a part of it. So I'll leave that. That's too much information right now. But I'll make that announcement pretty soon. But yeah, so basically I may be picking this up a little bit more and doing more videos. More people may be in them. You may see a lot of different things that change on here for the better. But yeah, definitely Steve Zirkle is on all my social media platforms. Follow me. Reach out to me if you have any questions. DM me. I'm extremely friendly. I'll talk to you wherever. Are you about to... That's what happens, you guys, when you have your girl in your video. You know, you want to be cute or whatever, and have her watch your video while you're talking to the people or whatever like that. But you know, she want to make noise in the background, man. Alright, but it's been real. I appreciate you guys. Definitely, again, subscribe. One thing I do want to say, I know a few videos ago I said about 97% of people are watching my videos that aren't subscribed. Now it's at about 60% and 30% of my subscribers are watching. So I'm noticing that I think more people from years ago are starting to see my videos pick up. So that algorithm must be doing something. So if you are an old person watching this, hey, I'm back. Definitely posting a lot of different content, the Tuskegee content. But even if you want to see that, maybe I'll pull up. All right, it's been real. Thank you.